Good evening students, welcome back to the second video of knowledge resource. In the last video we have seen with the admission of partner the theory part. Now in this video we are going to see the situations. Okay, so there are three situations under which the new partner, when a new partner is coming in any firm, so the PSR will change, right? So what are the three situations? That means how the new partner is going to have the share. Okay, that means how the old partners will have to share the profit. From that profit, whatever they are going to earn, from that profit the old partners will have to pay something, right? Give something to the new partner, right? So how there are some situation, there are some different situations which we will be seeing all the situation, and under these situations there are the cases. Fine. So when new partner comes, he comes with a share. So this is the first situation which we will be seeing. Situation number 1, when new or incoming partner acquires his share from old or existing partner in that old PSR. Meaning here, when new partner is entering in the firm, he is acquiring his share. Okay, some share will be decided for him. For example, 1/4 share, 1/5 share, or whatever the share is decided. So how he is going to acquire his share? How he is going to acquire this share? So he is going to acquire the share from the old partners. So how these share will be acquired from the old partners? Now this is the first situation. He is going to acquire his share from their old PSR. Whatever the old PSR was given, so in that old PSR, in their old PSR, the new partner he is going to acquire. Okay. Now in the textbook there are some condition, there are some this one given, cases given. So this is what we are going to see. First case is when profit share of new or incoming partner is given, but sacrificing made by the old partners are not given. Meaning here, when the profit share of old or incoming partner is given, that means new or incoming partner the share is given, but the old PSR or the old partner share is not given. So how to calculate? So we have illustrations. So in that illustration we'll solve, and then after, once the situations are done, we can start with the unsolved problems. Okay. Now in illustration number 1, what is given? A and B are partner sharing in the ratio 5:3. Now A and B are the partners. A and B are the partners. They are sharing profit and loss in 5:3. So their PSR is what? 5:3. C is admitted. C is admitted for 1/4 share. For 1/4 share, okay, in the profit. So calculate new PSR ratio of the partners. That means in this case, what is given to us? We are given with the old PSR, and C as a new partner, he is admitted in the firm. His ratio is decided. It is fixed. His ratio means what? His share is decided. That means he is going to have 1/4 share from the future profit. Okay, so 1/4 share from the future profit. This 1/4 share is fixed, right? This 1/4 share is fixed. That means we need to calculate. What we are asked to calculate. We are asked to calculate the new PSR. Now how to calculate new PSR? First of all, we need to take the total share. We need to consider the total share. Okay, total share of the profit of the firm. So solution will be like, let the total share of the profit of the firm be 1. So we are considering here the total profit of the firm is 1. So from that 1, how much is C share? C share is how much? C share is 1/4. So C share is 1/4. Okay, and the total share is how much? 1. So therefore 1 minus 1/4. Why we are subtracting 1 minus 1/4? We are subtracting 1 because this 1 is considered. What we have is assumed this 1 is the total profit of the firm, and from that total profit, C is going to acquire 1/4 share. Okay, so that's the reason why. Now we will do the Cross multiplication, what will get? 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, minus 1 ones are 1 is 3 by 4. Okay, so this 3 by 4 is nothing but the remaining share. Okay, so remaining share for A and B is 3 by 4, right? Once again, this is the total share is 1. We have considered the total profit of the firm is 1. So from that 1, C is going to acquire 1/4 the share. So 1 minus 1 by 4, we will get 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 is what? 3 by 4 is a remaining share. So this remaining share, from this remaining share, A and B is going to have, or A and B is going to share from this remaining share. Now how to calculate A and B? Now A share is how much? A's share is equal to, find by 5:3 is the old PSR. So what will be the A's share? 5 by 8. 5 by 8. 5 by 8 meaning 5 plus 3, 8. So 5 by 8, 3 by 8. I'll write here 5 by 8, 3 by 8. Okay. So A's old share is how much? 5 by 8. Okay. And he is going to acquire from 3 by 4. Samely, B share is how much? B share is how much? 3 by 8. And how much he is going to acquire? 3 by 4. Okay. So what is the share? 3 5s are 15. 3 3s are 9. Okay. So this is what A share. A share is 15 by 32 and B share is how much? 3 by 32. So this is what with the B share and A share. Okay. Done. So this is what we have calculated, A share and B share. Fine. Now what is the new PSR? New PSR will be what? New PSR or new profit sharing ratio will be, A share is A is to B is to C. Now A share is how much we have calculated? 15 by 32. B share is how much we have calculated? 9 by 32. Okay. And C share is how much? C share is already given 1 by 4. 1 by 4. As we need to equalize the denominator side, so we will multiply. So 4, how many is that? 32. 4 8s are 32. So we will get the share 15 is to 9 is to 8. So this is their new PSR. Understood? When the old PSR is given and a new partner is admitted and his share is given, so how to calculate new profit sharing ratio? New profit sharing ratio can be calculated by taking the total firm's profit. So we will consider 1 to be the total firm's profit. So 1 minus how much C is going to acquire? C is going to acquire 1 by 4. So the remaining part will be 3 by 4. And from this 3 by 4, A will be having his share. Okay. So A is a partner, old partner. How much is his share? 5. 5 by 8. And B as an old partner, how much is his share? 3 by 8. So 5 by 8 into remaining part, they will get 15 by 32. Same with B share, 3 by 8 into 3 by 4 is equal to 9 by 32. Okay. Now to calculate, this is what their new PSR. Okay. This is what their new PSR. And new PSR of A, B and C is, A is to B is to C is what? 15 by 32, which we have calculated, 9 by 32 and 1 by 4 into 8 by 8. That is your 15 is to 9 is to 8. So this is what is the new profit sharing ratio for all the partners. Okay. So this is the first case which we have seen. Now we are going to have the second case. In first case we have seen. Okay. Now we are into second case. What is the case? When profit share of new or incoming partner is given and also new PSR of old partner is given. That means when a new partner is entering, his ratio, his share will be given to us and new PSR is also given. Okay. So how to calculate? Now if you see, it is there, the illustration part is there. In this illustration, what is given? A and B are partners. So I write here, A and B are partners. C is admitted for 1/4 share. C is admitted for 1/4 share in the future profit. Okay. In future, PSR ratio between A and B would be 2:1. So this is what the future ratio they are given. They have given, and calculate new PSR. We are asked to calculate the new PSR. Now how to do? Okay. New PSR. So that means we are given the future ratio, that is 2:1. C is admitted for 1/4 share. We'll follow the same steps. Okay. The solution will be, let the total profit be 1. So let's assume the total profit of the firm is 1. So 1 minus 1/4. Okay. So the answer is 3/4. So 3/4 is nothing but the remaining share. 3/4 is nothing but the remaining share from which A and B is going to acquire. So now how much is A share? A share is 2/3 and B share is 1/3. So remaining share is 3/4. From this 3/4, A is going to have, we'll calculate A's share is equal to 2/3 into the remaining is what? 3/4. Okay, like that B's share is what? 1/3. 1/3 into 3/4 is your remaining share. Okay, 4 3s are 12, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 4s are 12. Okay, fine. So now what is the new PSR? We need to calculate new PSR. So new PSR will be for A, B and C. A is to B is to C. So A share is how much given? Sorry, we have calculated here. A share is 6/12. B share is 3/12. And C share is how much? 1/4. So to make the denominator equal, we will multiply 4 3s are 12 on both the side, numerator and denominator. So you will get 6/12, 3/12 and 3/12. So that is nothing but 6:3:3. Okay, we can still divide it. 3 1s are 3, 1s are 3 and 3 2s are 6. So the ratio will be 2:1:1. Done. So this is what when the new partner is entering, his share is given and the future share or the new share of the old partner is also given. So this is how we have to calculate. We are still in situation number 1. What is the situation? Where new or incoming partner acquires his share from old or existing partner in their old PSR. So first one was old PSR was given and the new share and the new partner who is entering, his share was given. And here when the new partner is entering, his share is given and the new PSR of the old partner is also given. So we are considering more about the old partners. Okay, so this is case number 2. Now we will see case number 3. Now this is case number 3. In this case, when new or incoming partner acquires his share from old or existing partners equally, that means he is going to acquire his share from the existing partners equally. So how it will be? We'll see the illustration number 4. In that will be able to understand more clearly. Illustration number 4, what is given? A and B are partners sharing profit and loss in 5:4. It is written on the board. They admitted C for 1/10 the share. So C is admitted for 1/10 the share of the profit which he acquires in equal proportion from both. Equal proportion from both means what? He is going to acquire equally from A and B. Okay. Find the new PSR. So we will find the new PSR. See, first of all we will understand this. C is a new partner. His share is how much? 1/10. Okay. So he is going to acquire from A. From A and B, he is going to acquire equally. Equally means what? 1/1, 1:1, right? Equally. Now that means A share is how much? 1/2 and B share is how much? 1/2. Yes, is it correct? So C is going to acquire from A 1 or equal proportion from A and equal proportion from B. Okay, same proportion from A and B. So A's proportion will be what? 1 by 2. A's proportion will be what? 1 by 2, and B's proportion will be what? 1 by 2 of 1 by 10. Okay, fine. So this is how A is going to acquire. Now, it means, okay, it means solution is like, as this condition is given to us, that means A surrenders. A surrenders, that means A is giving how much? 1 by 2 of 1 by 10. Okay, 1 by 2 of 1 by 10 means what? This much. 1 by 2 of 1 by 10, that is C share. Okay, now B surrenders. B surrenders 1 by 2 of 1 by 10. That is nothing but 1 by 20 and 1 by 20. Understood? So A is going to surrender 1 by 20. B is going to surrender 1 by 20. This is how, this is what they are going to surrender. Okay, fine. Now, then now we are asked to calculate new PSR. How to calculate new PSR? Now in this condition we have one formula. New share is equal to old share minus surrendered share. Okay, so we will calculate A's share first. A's share is equal to what is the formula? Old share. So how much is A's old share? 5 by 9 and B's old share 4 by 9, right? So A's old share is 5 by 9 minus how much he is going to surrender? How much A is going to surrender? 1 by 20. So I'll write 1 by 20. Right? Likewise, B's share is what? B's new share, his old share is how much? 4 by 9. So 4 by 9 minus 1 by 20. Right? So we will do the cross multiplication. 25 minus 9. So same. 9 is 18. This is 80 minus 9. So how much it is? This one is 91 by 180 and this one is 71 by 180. Okay, and how much is C share? C share is what? C share is given already 1 by 10. Okay, 1 by 10. Now we need to make this denominator equal, so we will multiply by 18. So into 18 you will get what is this share? 18 by 180. So what is the new PSR? New PSR for A and B is what? A's new share, B's new share and C's new share is what? A is to B is to C, that is 91 is to 71 is to 18. So this is what is the new PSR of ABC. Understood? I hope this third case is also understood to you. I'll just explain this third case. In this third case, what is given? This A and B, when the new partner enters, acquires his share. That means whenever a new partner is acquiring his share from the old partners, okay, when he is going to acquire his share equally from the old partners, how he is going to acquire? He is going to acquire equally. So this is a condition. C share or C share is how much? 1 by 10. He is going to acquire 1 by 2 of from A and 1 by 2 from B. Okay. So now A surrenders, that means acquire means what? A is going to give, right? A is going to surrender. A surrenders 1 by 2, this much, 1 by 2 of 110. How much is 110? C's share? C share is 110. So 1 by 2 of 110, that is 1 by 20. B surrenders 1 by 2 of 110, that is 1 by 20. And a new share. Now we need to calculate, this is what they have surrendered. Now we have to calculate what? We have to calculate new PSR. So calculating new share or new PSR is, new share is equal to what? Old share minus surrendered share. This is the formula. So we have used this formula for A share. For calculating A's new share, we'll write here A's new share and B is new share. Okay, so A new share is what? Old share minus surrendered value. Old share is how much? 5 by 9. Surrendered value is how much? 1 by 20, which we have calculated, right? So 5 by 9 minus 1 by 20. We'll do the cross multiplication. We got 91 by 80. B's new share is how much? Old share minus surrendered value. Old share is 4 by 9 minus 1 by 20. By cross multiplication, we'll get 71 by 180. And C share is, now C share is already given like 1 by 10. To make the denominator equal, we will multiply by 18, and we got the new share is 18 by 8. So what is the new share for P? ABC, new share is 91 is to 71 is to 18. Fine. I hope you understood this, all the three cases. That means today we have done, in this video we have done situation number 1. What is the situation? That is when new or incoming partner acquires his share from old or existing partner in their old PSR. Okay, so in this situation we have seen 3 cases. Okay, 3 cases we have seen. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like and share the Knowledge Resource channel. Thank you.